Welcome to today's video. We are still continuing with inventory, and today we're going to focus on the serial tracking system in SYSPRO. The serial tracking system in SYSPRO offers comprehensive tracking on a transactional level for items with serial numbers, particularly those with warranties. Industries such as electronics, food, pharmaceuticals, electronical goods, and computer hardware commonly use the serial tracking system. The implementation of serial tracking is flexible, allowing the capturing of existing serial numbers and associated transactional history to enhance warranty claim management. Serial numbering can be executed manually or automatically, allowing the assignment of single serial numbers to individual stock items or batches of mass-produced items. SYSPRO facilitates the automatic generation of serial number ranges with customizable prefixes at company level or stock level, streamlining processes and minimizing errors. Now get ready to capture a serial number in SYSPRO.
First, you're going to go to inventory, and then you're going to go to serial tracking system. Then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to select serial number take on. And here we're going to enter the stock code that we are capturing. Here we're going to enter the warehouse, going to tap off, and now we enter the serial number. And now the location. So here we're just going to put in North. And we're going to tap off. Here we're going to put in the expiry date of the serial number. And let's say the 31st of the third month, 2025. And we're going to tap on. And here we're going to enter the scrap date of the serial number. Let's just say the 1st of the fourth month, 2025. So when a serial number is scrapped or has expired, you won't be able to allocate it to a stock code. Now we're going to put in the quantity on hand. Tap off, and here notation, you could put anything, but I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm going to save. And we're going to click yes, and the serial number is saved. And that's how you capture a serial number.
Think of it like this. Manual serial items get VIP treatment with their own unique serial number, while batch items are like a cool squad where they share a single serial number. Now let's show you how that looks like in SYSPRO. First, inventory. Then we're going to go to setup and stock codes. So here we're going to enter our stock code, and we're going to tap off. And we're going to scroll all the way down here by the stock code details to other options. The maximum number of decimals should be 0 for manual serial tracking. And if it's not, you'll get this error right here when you go to the tracking pane. And let's just choose manual here just to show you the error. The maximum number of decimals for manual serial items can only be 0. So here, let's change this 3 to 0. And now we're going to select the tracking pane right here on the side, and we're going to click right there. And here on serial tracking method, we're going to choose the method, which is manual serial. And record serial numbers. When do you want the serial number to be recorded? We want it to be recorded during the order entry. And now we're going to put in our manual serial prefix and our manual serial suffix. So let's start with the prefix. Tap off. And now we can save. And that's how you enable manual serial tracking on a stock code. Now we're going to enable batch serial tracking. Again, inventory, setup, stock codes. Here we're going to enter our stock code. We're going to tap off. And we're going to go straight to the tracking pane. And here we're going to choose the serial tracking method, batch serial. Here we're going to record when we want the serial numbers to be recorded. For batch serial items, we always select during receipt. And we're going to save. And that's how you enable batch serial tracking. New stock alert at your warehouse and it needs receipting. However, unlike in the previous video, this time we're going to receipt a serialized item. So now we're going to receipt a manual serial item. So inventory, transaction processing, and we're going to go to movements. Warehouse is warehouse in. We're going to leave it like that. And stock code, we're going to enter the stock code. We're going to tap off and we're going to enter the quantity we're receipting. Tap off, we're going to leave that there. And here by serials, we're going to select edit. And the receipt capture details window will be open and we're going to select capture range. And right here at the bottom, we're going to enter the prefix. We're going to tap off to enter the suffix. And we're going to accept and close. And here we're going to select yes. We're going to continue. Here our reference can be our purchase order. And I'm going to leave notation as is and I'm going to post this transaction. And I'm going to select close. And I'm going to close the program. And there you have your journal entry. Now we're going to receipt a batch serial item. Again, inventory, transaction processing, movements, and receipt, transaction type, receipts, and warehouse in, we're going to leave as is. And we're going to enter the stock code. Tap off and quantity 5, tap off. I'm going to leave that as is. And again, when we get here on serials, we're going to click edit. By the serial number, we're going to enter the serial number. And we're going to click add to list. And we're going to say yes. We're going to continue with the transaction details. Again, here you could reference your purchase order. And we're going to post the transaction. And I'm going to close. And I'm going to close this program. And there you have your journal entry. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Like and comment which videos you'd like to see next. And if you want to find out more about our product offering, the link will be in the description below.